Rising dancehall entertainer Stephany Williams, more popularly known as Medikk, has been missing for some days now, and the family is becoming more concerned about her safety and her well being. This after a missing person report was filed after she did not return home after she left out. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. This is a program where we diverge deeper into stories and try to uncover the truth of what is being hidden from you, the general public. So this individual who goes by the name Stephany Williams have been missing for some days now, and she went missing on August 24th, and she's aged 29 years old. Miss Williams is reported to be an upcoming dancehall entertainer who have been getting rotation both in the local and international music circle. What transpired to her have left her family puzzled, as they are hoping for the best but still fearing for the worst. The police have not yet provided an updated report in relation to the story, so we're just going to provide you with the latest information we have in relation to this story. So the emerging dancehall entertainer, 29-year-old Stephany Williams, otherwise called Medikk, of Mayfair Red Hills Road in St. Andrew, has been missing since Thursday, August 24th. Miss Williams is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 5 feet 7 inches tall. According to reports from the Constant Spring Police, and this is the latest report we have in relation to the case. So reports from the Constant Spring Police state that Miss Williams left home sometime on Thursday, August 24th in the afternoon and has not been seen or heard from since. At the time she went missing, she was wearing a black blouse, black tights, and a pair of black shoes. So Miss Williams left home dressed in all black. The police say attempts to contact her using different modes of communication have proved futile. However, the police have commenced an investigation into her disappearance. Fast forward a week later, the police have still not yet ascertained what led to her disappearance, and today is August 31, which is the last day of the month of August, which means that Medikk would have been missing for exactly a week now. This has grown fear into her family members as the family try to put the pieces of the puzzle together. The police are working as well in order to ascertain what might have happened to her, as this is unlike her to be going away and not informing any family members about her whereabouts. But based on what I've observed in this case, something has definitely gone wrong, because this female would not just gone missing just like that without not informing any family members, not informing any friends, and not even making the effort to contact her close associates within the music space. So definitely you know that something went down, and it's just one of those cases right now that we're just hoping for the best but still fearing for the worst. The heartbreaking news of her daughter's disappearance has left Millicent McCarty, the mother of dancehall DJ Stephany Williams, otherwise known as Medikk, distressed. Williams, who is aged 29 years old, who was reported missing on Thursday, August 24th, was last seen wearing a black blouse, black tights, and a pair of black shoes. Her mother have stated that she knew something was wrong when she reportedly tried to call her on Thursday evening but was unable to get through to her. She deemed it strange because Williams, the first of 3 children who are all daughters, was consistently on her phone, she said. So the mother stated that this was unusual for her to not be taking her calls, as she sleeps with the phone, she wakes with her phone, She does everything with her phone, Miss McCarthy said, adding that the two share a special bond and would speak frequently because Miss McCarthy, who is the mother of Medikk, lives in Savlamar, Westmoreland, where she raised her children. The distraught mother shared that in an earlier conversation with one of her sisters, Williams said that she had a video shoot to do in Ochorea, St. Anne, and her boyfriend and road manager told her to get ready for the event. The mother have further stated that since then, all attempts made by relatives and also friends to get in touch with her have proved futile. She said that the family is yet to receive a response from Williams' management team, Navigator Entertainment, after multiple attempts to get information about the planned video shoot. McCarty and her younger daughter are currently in Kingston in search of answers while working with the police to find their missing family member. A family member have stated that as the day goes by, it's becoming worrying and distressing, and we have been trying to contact her friends to see if anyone has heard from her, to see if anyone can try to figure out what has happened or what is happening, a family member told reporters, adding that when you go missing, as the time extends, it gets even more serious. The family have further stated that she is fairly a popular person, so maybe someone saw her in a car or somewhere or something, so any information that we can get will be useful at this point in time, the family member continued. Medikk is a well-known performer on the local dancehall stage and is best known for songs such as Boss Level with Javinci and Like What. She is also a businesswoman who manufactures and distributes natural hair and skincare products. Family members describe Williams as a woman with a strong work ethic and an unwavering sense of independence. Her affection for her family and friends, particularly her mother and sisters, with whom she has a close relationship with, is frequently expressed through warm embraces. I need help, Miss McCarthy said, pleading for anyone with information to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Now can you just imagine the pain that the mother of this missing female is going through, considering stories that we have covered in the past and how these stories sometimes end on a tragic note. Right now, we are praying and hoping that this upcoming dancehall entertainer can be returned home safely to her family members, as it's becoming worrying and distressing for them right now to cope during this difficult time. But when we see individuals such as these going missing, especially individuals who are out there in the whole social media world, and especially this one in particular, Medikk, upcoming bright individual who seem to have a bright future in the music space, and now with this that has transpired has left a dark side for her family to grapple with. However, despite everything that has happened so far, we're just praying and hoping that she will return safely to her family members who are so worried about her safety at this particular time. However, as the police carry out the investigation, they have not yet provided any more clues or details in relation to the matter. However, she left home for a video shoot, all dressed in black, and has not been seen or heard from since. It has been a week now, and nothing substantial have become of this case itself, and we are becoming now more and more concerned for the safety of this upcoming dancehall entertainer who has created a name for herself so far within the music space and has emerged on the scene as a female that could be a dominant figure of the local dancehall entertainment circle. I'm hoping that she's returned home safely to her loved ones, but as time goes by, so too is the reality of what might have happened to her. from the 24th of August to August 31 mark a week since her disappearance, and this is not a good look, and we just have to just keep praying and just hoping that some level of assurance can be brought back to the family, as this time they're in a state of shock and disbelief as they try to come to terms with what might have happened to Miss Stephany Williams, aka Medikk, her local dancehall name. However, we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to wish the family all the best in this difficult time. And I know that it's a very hard time for them right now to be coping with such news and with the whole entire process, and with them being in the dark and not knowing what news to expect next is not a good feeling. This is where though I believe I'm gonna leave this story. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so.